If you're a business owner or entrepreneur who wants to create video for your business, but you're not quite sure of the kind of kit that you need or how to get started, then definitely keep it locked here, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the kind of kit that you need, really basic entry-level stuff to allow you to create great quality video just using your phone. Let's jump into the content now. What do you need kit-wise? So I've already talked about this, but you need a phone, minimum really 1080, which is high def HD, or a 4K phone. I mean, most phones nowadays are kind of 4K. You need a microphone. You must invest in a decent microphone. Please, please, please don't use the mics that are in the phones, because they pick up so much extraneous noise, and it's really hard to isolate, you know, the speaker. And it's microphones you can pick up for, 15, 20 quid, a decent one. If you're getting super posh, you can get one for 40 quid, which is amazing, those quality mics. It's not a massive investment, but it really is. At the end of the day, if you're creating video content with a view to raising your awareness or increasing leads, inbound leads into your business, all of that activity, all the benefits that will bring to your business has a value to you, right? So it would be surely worth your while investing, therefore, in the video in some way or other. And obviously you're going to invest in terms of time, but also in terms of the money side of things. You need tools to do the job well. You don't, get carpenters turning up, or at least not carpenters that last 5 minutes in their job, turning up with one screwdriver. They have a range of tools to help them do the job they need to do. The same exact thing is true of creating video content. You need a certain level, and we're talking in this about a very basic entry level, nothing onerous in terms of monetary investment, a modest amount, but you do need to be prepared to invest in your equipment. And also, whilst we're at it, I would also say you need to invest in learning too. And that can come with, just spending time, allowing yourself to get 1% better with every upload and all the rest of it. You're not going to be amazing straight away. But yeah, so invest the time and critically invest the money in the right equipment, and also in the right learning as well. That was a slight tangent for which I apologize. You'll get used to that. Listen, I really hope you're getting loads of value from this video. If you are, please press the like button, and also think about subscribing to the channel for more content just like this. But I want to know from you, let me know in the comments below, what are the issues you're coming across on your video making journey? What are the roadblocks to your progress? Please do let me know in the comments below so I can create content that will help you on your way. Let's get back to the content. Also, you need a means of stabilizing the phone, because at the end of the day, wobbly shots are really distracting. So something like a tripod, a gorilla pod, or a selfie stick would be fine. If you don't have any of that, then literally resting the phone on a stack of books or something like that, so it's not wobbling around, basically, is what we want. Obviously, we need light. And also, like we were saying just a second ago, you need clarity. You need to know what you're going to be saying, who you're saying it to. Really visualize the audience you're talking to, so that you're imparting useful information to them in a really concise fashion. And also, you need to understand why you're even doing this. What are the what's the aim of the video? What do you want the result of the video to be? That will have a massive impact on things like calls to action, what you'll ask people to do off the back of watching the video. I really hope you got loads of value from this video. If you did, please press the like button. And if this kind of content is useful to you and is your cup of tea, then I'd invite you to subscribe to our channel. Just press the subscribe button and the little notifications bell. Don't forget to stick around. Click on the screen in a couple of seconds for the following video for more pro hints and tips. See you soon. Take care.